Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or how you can do that on your HiTv app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then you just keep going down here, you keep going down. Then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here and then you're looking for HiTv app. So or just click on search. Then here at HiTv app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here. So you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.